Do you want to hide liked videos on TikTok? You can hide videos you have liked on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide liked videos on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner of your profile. From the pop-up, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the new screen, tap on Privacy under the Account section. Now, scroll down and tap on Liked Videos under the Interactions section. A new screen will appear with two options, Only Me and Everyone. Select Only Me to hide your liked videos from everyone else. Now, your liked videos are only visible to you.